Acquiring a superyacht involves a substantial initial investment. The purchase price can easily reach hundreds of millions of dollars. However, the initial cost is just the beginning of the financial commitment. Annual running costs for superyachts are also significant. These recurring expenses can amount to millions of dollars per year. Understanding how these extensive expenditures are managed is crucial. Billionaires approach yacht acquisition differently from average consumers buying a house or car. For individuals with extreme wealth, a multi-million-dollar yacht represents a small fraction of their net worth. Typically, the cost of such an asset constitutes only 2 to 3% of their total financial holdings. This contrasts sharply with the significant financial commitment most people make for major purchases. For a billionaire, a yacht is more than a luxury item. It is a tangible asset. It is perceived as a versatile tool, offering utility beyond mere leisure. The yacht also functions as a potent symbol reflecting status and influence. This perspective highlights a financial view where utility and status are paramount. Billionaires often purchase yachts using direct payment methods. Funds are typically transferred in cash through their own corporate entities. Payments are commonly structured as installments. These installments are synchronized with the multi-year yacht construction timeline. Cash payment for a yacht is often chosen by buyers with substantial liquid assets. This method is particularly favored for custom-built yacht projects. Key priorities for cash transactions include transaction speed and efficiency. Maintaining privacy is another significant advantage of direct cash payments. It effectively bypasses the complexities and scrutiny associated with external financing. Paying cash for a significant asset, such as a yacht, offers distinct financial advantages. This approach eliminates the necessity for external financing, such as loans. Consequently, it avoids the accumulation of interest payments over time, reducing overall cost. Furthermore, cash transactions minimize administrative paperwork, simplifying the acquisition process and ensuring full ownership control. Superyachts are high-value assets with complex ownership structures. Most superyachts are not registered directly under an individual's personal name. Instead, they are legally owned by various corporate entities. These entities often include holding companies established for asset management. Offshore corporations are also commonly used for superyacht ownership. Trusts and foundations represent other legal structures for ownership. Corporate entities often register in specific jurisdictions for financial advantages. These locations are known for their favorable financial regulations and legal frameworks. Examples include the Cayman Islands, a prominent offshore financial center. Malta and the Marshall Islands also offer attractive conditions for corporate registration. The Isle of Man is another key jurisdiction favored for its regulatory environment. Offshore companies offer distinct advantages for yacht ownership. One key benefit is enhanced privacy regarding the ownership of the yacht asset. These structures provide robust legal protection for the yacht and its owner. Offshore ownership can lead to optimized tax efficiency through strategic structuring. It allows for the separation of personal wealth from the yacht asset. This separation safeguards personal assets from liabilities associated with yacht ownership. A billionaire maintains ultimate control over an owning company. This company holds legal title to a valuable asset, such as a yacht. This arrangement creates a corporate veil, a legal separation. The veil separates the individual owner from direct legal ownership of the asset. This structure provides a layer of protection and anonymity for the individual. High net worth individuals often finance luxury assets like yachts through loans. This strategy is employed even when they possess sufficient liquid capital for outright purchase. Their wealth is typically invested in growth-oriented assets rather than held as cash. These investments include stocks, private companies, real estate, and private equity funds. Leveraging loans allows them to maintain capital in appreciating assets. This approach optimizes wealth growth by avoiding asset liquidation for purchases. Wealthy individuals often hold significant assets in various investments. Directly liquidating these investments can be financially suboptimal due to taxes or market timing. Instead, they utilize asset-backed lending as a strategic financial tool. This involves borrowing funds using their existing assets as collateral. Their strong creditworthiness allows them to secure very low interest rates on these loans. This method provides liquidity without divesting assets, preserving long-term growth potential. Financial institutions assess client risk when determining loan conditions. Billionaire clients are typically categorized as extremely low risk by lenders. This low-risk profile often leads to highly favorable loan terms and conditions. Such terms include significantly lower interest rates compared to average borrowers. Consequently, borrowing money becomes a highly attractive and cost-effective option for them. This preferential treatment reflects their perceived financial stability and repayment capacity. This financing strategy allows billionaires to maintain continuous growth of their primary investments. Instead of liquidating assets, they use borrowed money to fund significant purchases, such as a yacht. This approach ensures their core investments remain intact and continue to appreciate in value. An additional benefit is that the interest paid on these loans may be tax deductible. This strategy optimizes wealth management by leveraging debt for acquisitions while preserving capital growth. Yacht owners can utilize their vessels for revenue generation when not in personal use. This practice is known as yacht chartering, transforming a luxury asset into an income source. Chartering involves renting out the yacht to individuals or groups for a specified period. This strategy helps offset ownership costs, including maintenance, crew, and docking fees. It provides a financial benefit, making yacht ownership more sustainable and profitable. Superyacht ownership involves substantial operating costs, including maintenance, crew, and insurance. To mitigate these expenses, owners often explore chartering their vessels. Chartering allows the superyacht to be rented out to clients for specified periods. This activity generates significant income, potentially reaching millions of dollars annually. The revenue generated from charters can partially offset the high operational expenditures. Thus, chartering transforms a superyacht from a pure liability into a revenue-generating asset. Luxury assets, such as yachts, often incur significant operational costs. These costs include crew salaries, fuel, maintenance, and docking fees. Strategic chartering can generate substantial revenue to offset these expenses. For example, a yacht chartered at $1 million per week for 10 weeks annually. This generates $10 million in annual revenue directly covering operational expenditures. Yachts are registered under various national flags, known as flag states. The choice of a flag state significantly influences the vessel's tax obligations. It also dictates the regulatory compliance standards the yacht must adhere to. Crew employment laws are determined by the chosen flag state. Furthermore, import duties for the yacht are affected by its flag registration. Superyacht owners employ various strategies to minimize their tax obligations. A common tactic is to avoid registering the yacht in the owner's home country. Instead, they often opt for registration in jurisdictions with favorable tax laws. If the yacht is chartered, commercial registration is frequently chosen. This commercial status can provide significant tax advantages and exemptions. Ownership is often structured through international companies to further reduce tax burdens. Billionaires engage specialized teams to manage complex financial and legal arrangements. These teams include lawyers, tax advisors, and maritime experts. Their role is to meticulously plan and execute these intricate strategies. The primary goal is to ensure all actions remain legally compliant. Simultaneously, these arrangements are strategically optimized for maximum benefit. Crew salaries represent a significant and ongoing operational expense for superyachts. Large superyachts typically require a substantial crew complement to maintain operations and service. The number of crew members can range from 30 to 70 individuals, depending on the yacht's size. This extensive staffing leads to considerable annual salary costs for the yacht owner. Annual crew salary expenses can range from $3 to $6 million or even higher. Yacht crews comprise highly skilled professionals, including captains, engineers, and chefs. These roles demand specialized expertise and experience, warranting substantial salaries. The compensation for these professionals includes not only salaries, but also benefits. Additionally, comprehensive insurance coverage is a critical component of their remuneration. All payroll expenses, benefits, and insurance are meticulously managed by the yacht-owning company. This financial management is handled as a standard business operation, ensuring compliance and efficiency. Yacht ownership involves significant and continuous operational expenses. Fuel costs represent a major expenditure, ranging from $1 to $10 million annually. These fuel costs are directly influenced by the yacht's size and its usage frequency. Maintenance is another substantial and ongoing expense category for yachts. This includes upkeep for engines, electronics, hull, and interior refits, ensuring continuous operation. Yacht ownership involves significant operational costs beyond the initial purchase price. Many billionaires allocate a substantial percentage of their yacht's value for annual running expenses. This allocation typically ranges from 10% to 15% of the yacht's total value each year. For instance, a $300 million yacht requires an annual operational budget of $30 to $45 million. These considerable figures cover maintenance, crew salaries, fuel, insurance, and other services. Such expenses are meticulously pre-planned and integrated into the owner's financial strategies. From a financial perspective, a yacht is not an investment due to its depreciation over time. However, billionaires derive significant value from the privacy, freedom, and security it offers. A yacht functions as a private resort, a floating office, and a personal sanctuary. This unique utility justifies the substantial cost, offering value beyond monetary returns.